Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you this beautiful Art Deco pocket watch in a gold plated case, which is gorgeous. The watch is unsigned, but it's housing FHF caliber inside. The case is in mint condition. This watch looks like just left the factory. Very nice design. This case. The bow is the back of the watch. It's a very beautiful case, gold plated case. This is a Monogram. I think it's H and a K, maybe, I don't know, but it's very beautiful indeed, very nice. So this is the dial, which is in mint condition. This is the inside of the front cover. It's mint, as I said. Very beautiful. It's a little piece of jewelry, this watch. The dial has has the rubbing wheels, Breguet style. It's very clean, very simple. It's an unsigned dial. Let's open the pocket watch. This is the dust cover. As you can see, it's flawless. The inside the back cover is 20 microns. Double plating. Has a serial number, but I don't know if it helps anyway. Inside the dust cover, the back of the dust cover has nice perlage, and this is the movement. Very beautiful. It's an FHF. It's in working condition. It starts right away. It's very clean, as you can see. This was the watch, guys, for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy it. If you do, please give a like and subscribe. It's free. Have a beautiful evening. Stay safe. And cheers.